Hi everybody, it is Stephanie, one of your undergraduate teacher assistants. I am going to give you an example similar to that of what is in Homework 3, Part 2. This is my example, as you can see, with my data collected. It's about military and non-military members and whether they eat special diets or regular diets. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to go to SPSS, which I've already opened and logged into. And once we're in there, we are going to go to variable view. In our variable, for number 1, we are going to put diet, or diets, actually. Then we are going to go down and put military affiliation. It doesn't like spaces, so if you want a space, just do an underscore. And then last but not least, frequencies. Alright, from there, we're going to move over to the decimal column right here, and we're going to put each one down to 0. Values. With our data, we have 2 values. We have the special diet and the regular diet. So what we're going to do is we're going to double click on values box where it says none, and this little blue box with 3 dots is going to come up. We're going to click on that. Our first value is a special diet. You need to add that. Our second value is regular diet, and we're going to add that. With that done, we're going to press OK. Military affiliation. As you can see, we have the same thing. We have military and non-military. So what we are going to do is we're going to create a value of 1, a label of military, and add that. Then we are going to go to and label it non-military and add that. We are done there, so we will press OK. Right now, we are done on the variable view page. So we are going to go to our data view. In our data view, what we want to do is we want to compare 1, which represents in diets, special, and we're going to also do diets with military affiliation. So 1 and 1. Next, we're going to compare special diets, with non-military affiliation. Then we're going to go to regular diets with military affiliation and regular diets without military affiliation. We are going to then transfer our data. So special diets with military affiliation is 25. Special diets with non-military affiliation is 85. Military affiliation with regular diets is 75. And non-military with regular diets is 15. So we have entered our data. Next, we are going to come up here to this lovely sign. It looks like Lady Law's scale that she holds. We're going to click on that. We are going to then click on weight by classes, which is right here. And then we're going to move frequencies over to the frequency variable. And we are going to press that. This is all you should see is weight by frequencies on the output screen at this time. You have not done anything wrong yet. We are going to come back to our data view. We are going to click Analyze, go down to Descriptive Statistics, go over to Crosstabs, And what we are going to do is we're going to move diets to rows and military affiliation to columns. And at this point, we are not going to do anything with the frequencies. And press OK. So your output screen should now show and mirror the exact screen on my example question. All right, from there, we're going to go back to our data set, go back to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and crosstabs, and this time come over here to cells. We are going to go right here to percentages and click all three, row, column, and total. Click Continue, and click OK. And what it does is it pops up with this little screen that is very detailed in your output screen. So 2 questions that will mirror the homework. What percent of military total population eats a regular diet? How do you figure this out? Well, we're going to go down to regular diet and find percent of total population, and then we are going to click we are going to look at under the military column, but back with our percent of total, which gives us 37.5. Next question. What percent of non-military affiliated people eat special diets? All right. So on this one, we are going to go to special diets, and it is within the diet, within this special diet right here, and then we are going to go over to non-military affiliation. That gives us the answer of 77.3. This concludes my video, and I hope that you all can reach out to us if you have any questions or need further help. Thank you, and have a good night.